it's an insult, actually. The greatest insult that I have received from these people is they refuse to understand that the case against the Lima is true. They took the line of the left that she is a political prisoner. On my oath as president, I'm telling you, it is true. She really did collect money. Why? She was not into business, but ambitions can blind you. That is why you need money to run for senator. You need millions to do that. She does not have any business. I'm not aware that she owns a mall. Where do you get the money when you run? And that started everything. It always sometimes to go to greed, or if you aspire for things which you cannot afford and really want to get it. The Lima, before that, was secretary. She allowed to be filmed when she was having sexual intercourse with her driver, who was the collector. And that picture has been making the rounds. You saw it all. Can you really believe a woman like that? Allowing herself, she was then the Justice Secretary. And if you want, I will give the disc to you. Look at the way she slurped after doing it. And her doogie, favorite doogie, was walking around and she does not deny it now. Maybe she will tell us that it's a fake. Well, we can submit it to any expert if you want. That was a part of a bad dream.